scratch and crawl that's in the creek bed in our bare feet, picking berries in the sunlight, so juicy sweet. We'll head on down, cross the fence and to the pond, and I'll play my six string for you. And here's my song of the place where I grew up. Don't want to rain on my parade. If I die, I won't ever be alone. Just bury me in these grounds that I call home. Fancy dinners, driving movies, all the above. In the hayloft for the first time, I fell in love, and time never goes by, and I don't stop to think of you. Every minute I remember when I sit and write songs beneath the willow all day long. Won't you tell me right from wrong? If I die, I won't ever be alone. Just bury me in these grounds that I call home. And we'll never forget it even when we're old. An old coonhound on the porch, blackberries black as pearl, accepting the good and bad and never asking why. Lord, I'll love it till I die. And here's my song of the place where I grew up. Don't want to rain on my parade. If I die,